Are you tired of a lackluster kitchen faucet? Ready to upgrade your space with a touch of elegance and powerful performance? Look no further than the Moen Adler Mediterranean Bronze One-Handle High-Arc Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet with Power Clean. Hey guys, welcome back to our kitchen faucet channel. The high-arc spout provides ample clearance for filling pots and vases, while the pull-down sprayer offers ultimate flexibility for cleaning dishes and rinsing produce. Here are some features. Reflex system that ensures smooth operation, easy movement, and secure. Docking of the pull-down sprayer. Demonstrate how the sprayer retracts effortlessly and stays securely in place. Duralock Quick Connect System. Duralock allows you to complete the connection with your hands alone. When the connection is secure, you'll hear an audible click, assuring you of a tight and leak-free seal. The water supply lines have a quick connect fitting that snaps securely onto the faucet's inlet valves. Spot Resist Finish. Keep your faucet looking its best with minimal effort. This innovative finish repels water and resists fingerprints, ensuring a long-lasting, sparkling appearance. ADA Compliant. Elevate your kitchen's functionality and accessibility with an ADA-compliant faucet. Designed to meet specific standards, these faucets prioritize ease of use and comfort for individuals with disabilities. Eco-Performance. Experience the perfect blend of style and sustainability with this water-saving faucet. Its innovative design features aerated flow and low-flow settings, helping you conserve water without compromising performance. Lifetime limited warranty. Tailor your Moen Adler faucet to perfection. Choose from a variety of finishes, handle styles, shower head options, and valve types to create a personalized and functional fixture that complements your unique space. Here are some pros and cons. Pros:
powerful performance,
flexible design, stylish finish, easy installation, water efficient, easy to clean. Cons: finish maintenance, potential for leaks, limited color options. Ultimately, the Moen Adler is a great choice for those who prioritize functionality, style, and durability in their kitchen faucet. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons and consider your specific needs and budget before making a purchase. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.